Digital trap.
Yo, what's good people? It's Jcraft here from Digital Trap, back with another episode of Learn in a Minute. So on this one I'm going to be showing you how you can use Ghost Notes on FL Studio to help you with writing chords and melodies. So first of all, you need to make sure when you're in the piano roll, you need to check that helpers and Ghost Notes are selected. And then next you go into Stamp and then select which chord you want to be working in. So for this one I'm going to use minor natural, and then I select, you click on here and it will put all of the notes for that scale into the piano roll. So by using Shift and Control, I can move those up across all of the octaves that I'll be using. So stretch those out onto the 4-bar loop that I'm going to be working on, and then go into Omnisphere, and I can make a chord out of those notes that are on the piano roll. So if you make a note, leave a note, make a note, leave a note, make a note, that's how you can make up a chord using this technique. And you can make a normal chord like that, or you can add to it and make it a 7th, or you can add to it and make it a 9th. So I'm just going to do normal minor for this one, make a chord progression here, repeat those over just to show you for this technique. So I've got my chords there, and then I can go in and start to put melodies in there as well. So yeah, that's a quick way to help with writing melodies and writing chords. I hope that's helped you out.